Hi Tanvi, hi Garima. Thank you for joining us for this live session. Acha, I want to ask both of you one question. Have you ever been to any retreat? Hi Varun. Thank you for joining this live session. Hi PD. So I've asked you one question. गरिमा तन्वी वरुण साक्षी हाय साक्षी आप लोगों ने कभी किसी रिट्रीट में पार्टिसिपेट किया है कभी गए हो किसी रिट्रीट में अच्छा डू यू इवन नो व्हाट रिट्रीट इज डू हैव एनी आइडिया कि रिट्रीट क्या होता है क्या होती है लाइक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ओके नॉट येट ओके Okay, so I think if you don't know and if you are interested to know what is retreat and what kind of difference actually retreat can make in your life, then stay with us. I'm going to introduce one very powerful person who will create this with us today. That how retreat can actually create difference in our lives, right? So let me invite Piyush Bhatia. Participate. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Thank you for sharing, by the way. Thanks a lot. Okay. Hi, PD. Can you please accept my invitation for this live chat? Can you please accept my invitation if you're live and if you can? Okay.
Can you see me?
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
It doesn't
Thanks a
look
lot
very
for
bright.
joining us.
Uh, am I looking better? Is it bright enough? Because I see.
Yeah, 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 you are.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
Perfectly
Okay.
fine.
Great.
So, firstly, I really want to thank you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for always there for enlightening us with your knowledge. So, I think, pata hai, I don't want to take this opportunity, though it's a golden opportunity for me to introduce you, to
Hmm.
introduce Piyush Bhatia to my followers and the people who are live with us. But Piyush, I really want you to introduce yourself. Please, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप खुद बताएं क्योंकि इतना कुछ है ना आपके बारे में बताने के लिए मैं उतने पावरफुली क्रिएट ही नहीं कर पाऊंगी जितना
So
आप कर सकती हो.
okay. So basically, I by education I'm an engineer, but by
Yeah.
profession and by passion I am a life coach, a business coach, Reiki healer, energy healer, in fact. And I lead workshops, I lead trainings for people, I do one-on-ones with people. So my mission in life is to help people identify their barriers, reclaim their power, and love who they are. That's my mission, right? And so for that
Okay.
I have been conducting these retreats where I have been taking people on retreats. Now I'm doing a lot of retreats for corporates also. So they are also interested in earlier they never used to be interested in the emotional quotient or the
Right.
spiritual side
Right.
of it. Now they are
Right.
very much interested in transformation of people. So even they are
Right.
realizing that there is a huge difference between motivation and transformation. So
Transformation. That is true.
yes,
So,
yes.
hi guys, thank you for joining us for this live session. Today we are into a very, different kind of discussion. Many times we talk about, as PD just mentioned, we talk about motivation and there are a lot of motivation things and, motivational things are going around and there are very less things which can actually transform your life. So before we can, go forward with a further discussion, I really want to understand what is retreat.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I have to answer, but technically,
If
if I
we
have
have
to
to
say,
define like retreat,
yeah,
yeah,
to
how it is different from
define is
vacation.
like it's an incredible opportunity to live your
Hmm.
daily life and find time to recharge and rediscover your own self. So it actually it's like walking away from the mundane and look at your life from outside. So it's kind of you are looking at the same problems, you're looking at your life from outside. So we
Yeah,
are all we have all we all have issues in life, right? राइट में ले जाना चाहते हैं और लाइफ लेफ्ट में जाती है. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग?
Right.
So it is a time to reflect on and think clearly and think and actually bring back things back into perspective and spend quality time with yourself in the nature. That's what retreat is. It's time to
That's
rejuvenate.
nice.
It's time to reset your life. That's what retreat is.
That's nice. That's nice. That sounds something really, very miraculous, very different actually.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
मैंने भी कभी किसी रिट्रीट में एक्चुअली बोलूँ तो पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया, एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द रिट्रीट्स हैव बीन मतलब created by you, because I know the power and I believe in you. So I'm looking forward to participate one day in one of the retreats you create. So I wish, and I
I
will,
would love to have
meditate
you.
for that.
Hmm. I would
Yeah.
love to have you because I like in my retreats, like amazing results have been produced. Last time when we went on a retreat, there was a couple who were contemplating divorce, and now
Okay.
the wife is 3 months pregnant. So
Oh, wow. Wow.
yeah, in my one of my retreats, there was a one person. She had gluten allergies, and
Okay.
after the retreat, on the same like when we were coming back, she had cold coffee with ice cream. So these are the amazing results. I'm not saying that everybody gets the result, but when you are in a
Yeah. Yeah.
environment where you are reprogramming yourself, such results are, this is something which is doable, which you can achieve, right?
Okay. Even if you can change a life of a one person, that is also a huge thing.
Yes, yes, yes,
I think that's a great thing. So,
yes.
Preeti, when we are talking about like the lot of transformation that matlab goes on with this journey and everything. So, when we are talking about transformation, that cannot be possible without doing something different, which we are doing in our regular life, right?
Of course,
Other,
of course.
how it is different from I book a, room or room in a five-star hotel, going for 2 days vacation. How it
Hmm.
is different from that vacation, and what kind of
So,
activities we do?
so if you look at look at everybody, when there was COVID, so people were not allowed to move. So many, we were missing our holidays. So
Hmm.
millions of people across the globe, they go on family holidays, adventure trips, exotic locations pe jayenge to rejuvenate, to rest. But are we really on a holiday? Think about it. We are on a 24 by 7 holiday management duty. That's what I call it. So the basic purpose to recharge, to relax is
Yeah,
lost. So
yeah,
nowadays
true
people are
that.
very conscious. Nowadays people are very conscious, and most of them want to come back changed and more aware of their life and surrounding. So that's why retreats come in, because retreats are a time where you really go back, take a step back, detox yourself, and look at okay, what's going on in my life, what's not working,
Right.
what's working. So it is a good time to reestablish the mind body connection and to learn new healthy ways. So we all know कि सुबह उठ के meditation करना है. We all know we should be doing this exercise and all that. But somehow we don't have a roadmap. We don't have a framework. So when we go on a retreat, like for my retreats, I can say that when you
Hmm.
go on such retreats, you actually
Hmm.
sit down and you get a roadmap. Okay, how do I come
Okay.
back when I come back to my life, come back to
Hmm.
my daily life? How will I take forward whatever I have learned in these sessions? So it's like, if I have to tell you like this, it's like you put a pause button on life, and
Okay.
you take a stock of what is holding you back, and you analyze and you make changes before you move forward in life. So that's where I feel, you are silencing the noise. You take a moment to be with your own self. So actually look at it. We
Hmm.
our life is very fast, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Yeah. Yeah.
technology has made our life very easy, but
Right.
along with it, it has made our life very stressful. So our natural
Yes.
state of being is not accustomed to taking so much stress. And we have
Yes.
started saying stress is normal. Is it? Our normal state is not stressful. Even if you look
Right.
at it, a natural state, a normal
True
state
that.
is to be happy, to be bliss, to be joy. So it is very important to take breaks, which is very, very important. And retreats is a good way to take a break from the mundane.
Right, right. So when we are talking about it is a good break, matlab, I understand that point. Right. That makes complete sense because we are what we think as a vacation also that's
Ex-
not actually a vacation. Either we
Exactly.
are thinking about that what kind of like I have to check in and मुझे वो pictures click करना है, this is important for my social media and what I have to wear and most of the
What
time we are just
activities I have to
running and we
do,
are
कहाँ
just
घूमने जाना
covering
है,
things.
साइट सीइंग कौन सी करनी है, कहाँ घूमने जाना है.
Yes.
So morning में where will we have dinner, where will we sit? So it's all about, and here it's like
Running,
everything is
running,
taken.
covering everything that I have to
Yeah,
cover everything. Like
yeah, you
bucket
have to
list में
cover
सब tick
everything.
करना है.
I have spent so much, so I need to see this every day.
Yes,
So
yes.
it's not relaxing, it's not resting, it's not rejuvenating.
I can completely matlab, agree to the statement that that is not relaxing. That's not we must state it as a vacation also when we are just
Yes.
running away and यहाँ से वहाँ. That's I think very insightful. So thank you everyone, Jaspreet, for joining us. Sameer, Gaurav, thank you so much for joining us for this session. So I really want you guys, if you are interested in retreat and आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यार डे टू डे लाइफ ने ना आपको बहुत ज्यादा एंजाइटी और स्ट्रेस से भर दिया है and you really looking for a break. So this is a break I would suggest personally rather than going for something else. I think these are very useful breaks we can take in our daily life. तो अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे बहुत एंजाइटी होती है स्ट्रेस होती है आई डोंट नो और आपको इस रिट्रीट से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन है सो दिस इज द राइट टाइम. Piyush Bhatia, she is with us. She's expert in this area and she can help us out. She can make you understand that what kind of activities they do on retreat and how it can actually make you ready for different kind of journey of your own self. Right, PD?
Yes, of course. So, first thing I emphasize a lot on nature because
Yeah.
when you're going out for retreats, you are actually connecting with nature. And why nature? Why nature? Why is it important to go in nature? Actually, if you think about it, nature is the powerful healer. So when you're in
Yeah.
nature, when you are in nature, you don't have to do anything. Your yin and yang energies, right? Your
Yes.
masculine and feminine energies, they get balanced just by
Yes.
you being in nature. And do you know one thing? Your cortisol levels, which is your biggest stress hormone that you have, and most of us are dealing with stress, anxieties nowadays. Your cortisol levels go down when you are in nature. So actually, think about it. We used to say when you are in nature, you're close to God. So it's a beautiful experience. The retreats are all about connection. Retreat is about connection. Connection to what? Connection to self. Connection to nature. And when you are near nature, then you are near God. So which is the most important relationship? It is about self. It is your relationship with your higher self. It's about your nature with God who created you. And in the process, you learn so much. You learn a lot of lessons. Nature is teaching us so many lessons all the time. There are a lot of lessons to learn. You can see oneness. Nature doesn't judge. So when I'm talking about nature, so nature is the best teacher. Yeah.
Okay.
And in our retreat, we have a time where we spend a lot of time with nature. There is an activity which we do, and it's a beautiful activity. And recently, scientists have proven that your heart is the new brain. So if your heart is the new brain, your heart, if you look at your heart chakra, is green color. So green is the color of nature. So when you are in nature, that's when your heart opens up. So imagine if you have
green is my favorite color.
because it's the color of your heart and you have a beautiful heart. So,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so it's a beautiful, beautiful feeling to be when you are connecting with the whole of universe and you are one with this cosmos. Then you know that everything is possible. You are the creator of your own life. From being a victim to life, from being being at the mercy of the life, you suddenly become the creator of your life. You feel like you can do everything. That's what.
Everything. Nicely put, nicely put. I have a question here, PD.
Yeah.
This is a question from Vaishali Gandhi Shah. Is there some exercise or some activity that you can suggest to connect with nature when you are at retreat?
Okay, so Vishali, when you come for the exercise, so one beautiful exercise is go hug a tree. This is the simplest exercise I can give you. Go hug a tree and feel for yourself. You will feel so connected. So that you can do anywhere. You don't need to come for the retreat also. But when you come, for the people who come for the retreat, I give them specific exercises which we go through. So all these exercises actually, there is a lot of emotional cleansing. So
Okay.
these activities are based on therapeutic techniques. So we
Okay.
start the day with yoga meditation early in the morning. And of course, then we have a hefty breakfast, because when you cleanse a lot, because in the exercise, in my retreats, we cleanse a lot. So when you let go of so many things, there is a void. There is a space that gets created, and you feel a
Yes,
little
yes,
more
yes, yes.
hungry. You feel a lot more hungry.
Hmm.
And
Hi.
of course, we have a lot of sound healing sessions, because I believe that sound has an effect on our organs. It has an effect on our cellular memory. So there is a sound healing session. We have activities, we have exercises, we have trainings, and it's all towards working towards only one thing, and that is self transformation. That helps you to improve your mental, physical, emotional well-being. And
Yeah.
Sonal, we also spend, because there are so many people
Hmm.
and so many people get together. So it's like you spend time with like-minded people. So there are
Right.
group activities, and in these group activities, the group dynamics also play a role. Uh, the most important thing which people feel in my retreats is they realize that they are not alone. You know,
Right. Right. Right.
so
Right.
it's like it's a time to reflect.
Mhm.
It's a time to relax at the deeper level. It's a time to
Right.
learn from nature. So
Hmm.
that's what retreats are all about.
Thank you so much, PD, for answering this question, and thank you, Vaishali, for asking such, useful question. So, PD, when we are talking about, there are a lot of activities, and we are talking about journey of self-transformation, how these activities can help you, transform you. And when we are talking about transformation, that means it is that change which is there for forever. Like there is a permanent change, right? That's how we define transformation also. Like Toshita transformation, that's also we stand for. And
Yeah.
we always invite such people who can, contribute towards
Yes.
transformating people or society around us. I think that's beautiful. But I have a question here. When we are talking about transformation, right? And I'm sure this retreat, can you just let us know like about the timeline of this retreat first? Then I'll ask you my next question.
So this retreat is actually for 3 nights and 4 days. So
Okay.
and why I would say 3 nights and 4 days is because actually it's been proven scientifically that if you try doing something for 72 hours,
Okay.
you can form a new habit continuously for 72
Okay.
hours. So if
Oh,
if you are with me for say for these 72 hours, and you're learning, you're getting new knowledge, you are learning
okay.
new skills, you are learning new ways
Okay.
of being, so a complete transformation happens in those 72 hours. That's why people change. That's why things results are like that. That's how
Okay.
people
Okay.
start receiving such results. So all over the globe, if you look at, people have been looking for such retreats now. It's becoming, it's becoming mandatory for
Yes.
us to
Yes.
retreat from life and then look at life from a different perspective.
True. I think I've observed that a lot of people who are at senior positions, they actually participate in such
Yes.
retreats on regular intervals, I would say, like
Yes.
quarterly
Yes.
or even in 6 months or something. They purposely involve themselves into such kind of activities through retreat only. So I
Yes.
think that is one of the most important takeaway from this live session. I don't know about the other people who are live with us. I was always curious to know that how retreat can actually, create any kind of transformation. Because for me, it's like a 3 days. ये 4 दिन
Yeah.
में मैंने जो belief create किया वो कैसे टूट सकता है? How is it
हाँ,
even possible? So I
हाँ.
think that is very important,
Yes,
and
it
I
is
really
important that
want
you
each.
understand. So everything is
Yes,
about, yeah. So everything is about belief system, right?
Yeah.
So your
Yeah.
experiences in life are getting created from your belief system. So beliefs are,
Yeah.
they are stored in your subconscious. So it's all about
Right.
reprogramming your subconscious. So in these retreats, you are in a controlled environment. Like I would say, you are free, but of course,
Hmm.
you are going through certain processes. So all these
Right.
processes are actually reprogramming your childhood programs. It's it's
Oh,
only working on your childhood programs. We are helping you let go of the baggage that you're carrying. There is a lot of baggage, there is a lot
right.
of past baggage that you're carrying. So
Right.
there is a law of thermodynamics that energy cannot be created, it cannot be destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another. So there is a
One form.
lot of energy which gets released, and then a space is created so
Hmm.
that
Hmm. Hmm.
something
Hmm.
new
Hmm.
can be created there. So that's what
Right.
it's. I always like to blend spirituality with
Hmm.
science. So I'm working
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
scientific principles,
Yeah.
right? And if you talk about transformation, transformation is what? It's about changing the
Yeah.
mindset. So
Right. Right.
if you're working on yourself, you're 72 hours, you're learning new skills, you'll be reprogramming your subconscious. Imagine what's the impact. The impact will be many folds,
Right.
right?
Right. Right. Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So I think what you just said, and I think that is very important for all of us to take a break, and especially when you're talking about all these kind of baggages and past. When we are talking about कि belief creates from our past, हमें अपनी रेगुलर लाइफ में तो टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है. We don't give that much time to think about those things,
Yes.
and we have no idea that what kind of impact it is creating on our present.
Exactly.
So
We are not
I
even
think
aware. That's
yes,
the blind spot.
yes, जो वो 72 hours में you discover about yourself, and that's how you see knew you.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
Puri, I have one more question. I'm very curious to know one more thing. We are talking about transformation. I get that we have different kind of beliefs, and we create certain kind of beliefs when we are, as a child, we create a lot of negative beliefs as well. But my point is, what kind of impact it has on my professional growth?
Okay.
मतलब how it can impact people professionally.
So, have you heard this thing? There is a lot of people are talking about it, consciousness and all that. So, no problem can be solved at the same level of consciousness that created it. No problem can be solved at the same level of consciousness that
Right,
created it.
right,
So, if you're
right,
retreating
right.
from your life and you're looking at the
Mm-hmm.
problem from a different perspective,
Mm,
you
mm,
are
mm,
stepping
mm.
away from the problem. You are looking now at the problem from a different perspective. You are looking at your problem from a observer's point of
Right,
view. Sometimes you get a
right,
new idea, you get to see things
right.
from a different new perspective. So that's one thing. And also, if you think about it, every day you are in the same rut. You're running from pillar
Mm,
to post and you are
mm,
trying to create something new. But
mm, mm,
okay,
mm,
where
mm.
does creation happen? Creation only happens in the empty space. And for
Right,
empty space, what you need to do is you need to declutter the mind.
right,
And when you
right.
declutter the mind, because when your cup is full, can you add anything? No. And
No, no.
whatever you're thinking from the same mindset that is already there. And now we are reprogramming your mind, and you are empty when you come back. So look at the creation. How much creation will happen in that space? So it's all
Right,
about emptying yourself when you go on a retreat, right?
right,
So
right.
how, and that helps your business like anything, like your uh, reality. So we also teach you how to do manifestation, how to
Oh,
yeah. So in the retreat there is a day where we only work on manifestation. We talk about
right,
manifestation, how to manifest things in your life, and it's all about connection to self. So when you're connected to yourself, how, when do problems arise in our life? Problems only arise in our life when we
when we
feel
are disconnected.
disconnected with our own
Yes,
selves. So this
right.
retreat is only a time to connect with yourself. And trust me, when you're connected to self, all the problems, they just melt away. That's the beauty of just trusting and just surrendering and being with yourself. ठीक है,
Sounds very,
एक और
very
एग्जाम्पल
magic.
समझते हैं कि
Yeah,
एक
yeah,
और
yeah.
एग्जाम्पल समझते हैं. So nowadays we
Huh.
all have computers, right? We all
Right.
have
Right.
watches.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do? It needs to be updated daily. It
Mm,
needs to be
mm.
updated. There is a new iOS system which comes
Right.
and you have to update.
Softwares and everything. Yeah. Yeah.
Of course. So
Yeah.
same way, retreat is a time to reboot. It is a time to reconnect. It is a time to recharge.
Yes.
It is a time to, upgrade your computer. It's a
Right.
time to remove the unwanted files. You know,
Right.
and
Right. Right.
imagine, imagine, let's imagine not being on screen all the time,
Mm,
because you are in the problem. You are only fighting the
mm,
problem, right?
mm,
You
mm,
are not
mm,
looking at
mm,
the problem from a broader perspective. So imagine there
mm,
are no screens. You have no expectations to be fulfilled. कोई
mm,
expectation fulfill नहीं करनी है, nor the spouse, nor the boss, nothing.
mm,
And
mm, mm,
there are no pressures, and you're
mm,
unplugged from the outer world and just relaxing with yourself.
mm.
And that's when you're rebooting your computer.
Right.
In our life,
Right.
we have a time, we
Mm.
have a space for leisure, we have a space for family, we have a space for work. But
Yes.
where is the my space? It is time to nourish the my space.
Mm,
That's
mm,
where
mm, mm.
retreat comes in.
Right. 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 Makes sense. Makes sense. So, Dishan, Smita, so we are, discussing, we are in conversation that how spirituality and how retreats can actually leave a very, transforming impression on your life. So, if you have any question about retreats, about activities, about anything, so I think we are here in this live conversation with Piyush Bhatia, and she is the perfect person to answer all these questions. She has conducted lots of retreats till date, and she has transformed many, many lives. And I can really vouch for it. Her presence actually creates a lot of difference in every person's life. She has been, ever spoken to also. I would say not, taken a professional session with her. Even when she has spoken to someone, for some time, that also has created a lot of difference, just like it is doing with me also. Like I have, spoken to her so many times in my life. I know her personally also, but there's so many takeaways from this live session. So I think, guys, this is your golden chance. This is your golden opportunity, and we are doing this session so you guys can understand that how these things can actually, transform your life. So if you have any question related to retreats, that how it can change your professional life, personal life, if you have any question, so this is the right time and this is the last chance also, because we have already reached towards the end of this session. So before, we can wrap up this session, I want to ask you some questions, some basic questions about this retreat. Like, ये retreat कैसे start होती है? What are the basic arrangements, and what people must expect out of this, retreat?
Hmm.
So,
Okay. Yeah. So it starts with you enrolling for the retreat, of course.
yeah.
And my next retreat is in December from 17th to 20th.
Mhm.
So we already kind of wrapping up. We are already kind of in the process of finalizing the bookings and all those things. And the rest, everything is taken care of by us. So
Okay.
you just have to show up at the resort, and then
Hmm.
everything else is taken care of, the journey within. And we have a lot of activities, starting from 6 o'clock in the morning till 7:30, 8 o'clock. We are all in a classroom setting. We are working
Okay.
together, a lot of activities, being in nature. So it's not like there is some gyan sessions going on. It's like everything
Yeah.
is based, it's activity based, everything is based. So there is a lot of time to reflect on yourself, and
Right.
there is a lot of relaxation at the deepest level, a lot of learning from nature. It's a time to
Hmm.
recharge and find your focus and your attention, and your uh, um, you learn to deal with anxiety, you learn
Yeah.
to deal with
Yeah.
stress, right? And you
Yeah.
move out of the rush of life, time, emotions, and take a breather. That's what it's all about. So just
Right.
surrender
Right.
to the universe, and uh, give in and see what happens, what nature creates for you. And there are, these are very, 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 very scientific processes which I take you through. So it's a beautiful experience altogether, and it's totally experiential. And come with family, join and see for yourself what gets created for you.
Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan to me, actually. I don't know about other people, but I'm really interested, joining for such retreats. And Sunkari, I am feeling like there is a peace, like what kind of peace you can actually experience
Yes.
out of these, retreats. So thank you so much, PD. Thank you so much for coming for this live session, and again for enlightening us and sharing such important things. You know on this session. I think there are some important takeaways which I really want to recreate with people who are live with us. First is that how this retreat can actually transform your life, as you just shared with us. Like if you want to break any pattern or change your habit, so if you are doing something differently for 72 hours continuously, it is possible. Otherwise, there is a concept of 21 days, 90 days, and all these things, and we don't have patience for 90 days. So, how actually these retreats can impact you on that level? I think that is very important. I wasn't aware of this part. So, I think, guys, this is a very good opportunity, and that must be your important takeaway from this live session. That how 3 nights and 4 days can actually give you new life, and you'll be a new person walking out of that resort, right? मतलब मैं गलत नहीं हुआ अगर this is the impact it can create. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, PD. And अगर आप में से, if any one of you who is interested to know anything about this retreat, and I think this retreat is happening on 17th to 21st December,
20th
right?
December.
2021. Right?
Yeah.
So you can do let us know. You can DM us on Toshita India, or you can also follow Piyush Bhatia, her pages
You can
page,
just visit the
Instagram
website.
account name is Piyush
Yeah.
Bhatia Life Coach.
Yeah,
Yeah.
or
So
you can visit my website piyushbhatia.com, and there is a retreats page and you can register on that page.
exactly. So
As
it's
easy
very
as that.
simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very simple. Just take some time and at least go visit that website and understand what it is
Yeah.
exactly. Then only you can understand and what kind of you know um, results you can drive out of it. So I think that is it. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone.
Thank
Thank
you
you. Have a
so
great
much
night.
for, it's always a pleasure to be here on your platform, and you are
Thank you
such
so
a
much.
beautiful. Thank you for inviting me, and thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you for
much.
organizing such beautiful and important retreats and such events for all of us. Thank you so much. Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you so much.
Bye. Good
Thank
night.
you. Bye. Bye.